car in between and the diner. Here's the diner. And there you go, Amtrak Empire Building. Here comes a metro. Here comes a metro. It is stopping here. I think it's an empty 36.
What is the red supposed to mean?
What?
What is the red supposed to mean? That you're heading
This way. Red what? It's his iPad.
Oh, I see. Oh, okay. Oh, wow,
He's
there's an
taking a
iPad
picture.
there.
Yeah, on this side. He's taking rail fanning. They take pictures
Yeah, from the other side, and I guess it's
Wait, look, mommy. I think those are Virginia Railways. But they painted them into Mountain
right here. It looks like it. Yes, Ollie.
Yes, CSX.
Metra commuters, your attention please. A Metra inbound train will be arriving in approximately 6 minutes. Metra commuters, your attention please. A Metra inbound train will be arriving in approximately 6 minutes.
Where's it stop? It's got to stop here.
It is stopping.
Yeah. That's
Or
going
maybe
to
it's an
take 6
express.
minutes? It's stopping. It's not an express.
Oh yeah, it's going really slow.
You're shaking this around. one that was sitting there, or is that a new one?
Metro commuters,
I don't know.
your attention. The next Metro train approaching your station
There's two. There's two. There's two.
and will not stop.
The inbound's gonna stop. The outbound's not. Look at how fast it's going. I'm guessing it's not gonna stop. But there it is.
I know.
I think that one's an express. And it's outbound. Inbound hasn't even gone over the crossing on Chewy.
This one's going to be here before. Who knows?
Yeah, it's because this one's an express. It has its stitch lights on. There's going to be those slow express trains. There's a band going on back there.
Huh?
Like there was a band going on.
A band?
Yeah, like there was like drums. Here it comes. Here it comes. It's just about to pass the Caldwell crossing. Oh, that other one's coming.
Very slow.
Inbound one's stopping for sure. Oh! Mommy? I just found the best drill ever. And I got it on camera. I just found a heritage unit from Metro, I think. I don't know. Yep. Look, that's the one that I was
That's
talking
the
about.
one, I know.
And here you go.
What's it called again?
I don't know. Look.
Milwaukee Road.
I don't know.
Set it on. Yep. Oh,
Wait, there's another one.
no. Your mother said no. Not yet.
Metro commuters,
Look.
your attention please. The next inbound Metro train will
There's only one. Come on, can we wait for the next one? The next one's coming. Come on, can we wait for the next one? It's
Well,
just
it's
coming in.
this way, so that's why.
And that's gonna be the last one.
So here we saw a doubleheader in the Milwaukee Road MT36.
Can't see the no anything about. So, how about it? What if we see an F-59? That'd be cool. Okay, so
Train is leaving now. Okay, there's an F-59.
here, try. And there's an F-59 PHI at the front. And here's an F-59 that's in the back.